Go green for health and environment. In this presentation, we will have the company, the master distributor, the chief chemist, the problem, the products and their applications. The company is Anotec Philippines Incorporated, and its master distributor is Anotec Environmental Proprietary Limited from Australia. Anotec is an environmental odor control consultant, formulator, and manufacturer of Anotec odor eliminators and cleaning products. Anotec is a major worldwide environmental group servicing private and public sector clients from a diverse range of industries, including many of Australia's top 50 organizations. Chief Chemist John Savras of the Royal Australian Chemical Institute, Chartered Chemist Institute of Chemical Engineers, American Chemical Society, and Australia Chamber of Commerce. The problem: odor. Any business has this potential problem. Health effects or symptoms from exposures to these odors can be traced to these two causes: the sensation of the odor and the odorant itself. These are measured by their frequency, duration, intensity, and offensiveness. The main factors affecting business are manifested by microbial growth in food, chemical oxidation, and unsanitary conditions. While many unpleasant odors in the environment may not be harmful, they may trigger more severe illnesses. These illnesses can result from a variety of physiological mechanisms, including the worsening of asthma, depression, hypersensitivity, stress-induced illness, which results in social and behavioral changes, diminishing one's sense of well-being, enjoyment of daily activities, ability to perform various tasks. Oftentimes, the products and applications to remove the odor are more health and environment offensive than the odor itself. That is why Consumer Right Number 8, which is the right to a healthy environment, is related to the law prohibiting the release of odor due to concerns of health and the environment. Republic Act 3931, which declares a national policy to maintain reasonable standards of purity for water and air face-to-face their agriculture, industry, and other legitimate uses, and the same was reinforced by amending with Presidential Decree Number 984, which broadened the scope of the act that now includes pollutions like noise and odor, and further reinforced by Republic Act 9003, the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act, degrees of control for the protection of public health and welfare through the prevention and control of offensive odor. Take a look at how this problem affects you. This is your business. The problem, which will elicit complaints, that will entail investigation and litigation. Worst scenario is your business closes. Coming to your rescue is Anotec Environmental Proprietary Limited and its products, Australia's #1 and the world's number 13 in the top 100 world business chart in pollution control, with scientifically chosen and blended surfactant, and scientifically proven to be sympathetic to the consumer and the environment. Anotec. Simple, straightforward, and hassle-free. Anotec environmental products are tested and validated by the Australian Nuclear Science and Technology Organization, passed the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development regulations, passed the Control of Substances Hazardous to Health regulations, approved by DOH BFAD and DNR-EMB. They are safe, non-toxic, hypoallergenic, non-corrosive, have no irritating smell, non-flammable, have no phosphates content, no volatile organic compounds, non-perfumed, and are environment-friendly. Anotec safety information is reflected in this chart. Anotec is not an air freshener. It does not kill your ability to smell by way of a nerve-deadening chemical. It does not coat your nasal passages with an undetectable oily film. It does not cover one smell from another. Anotec is not a masking agent. Anotec intercepts, impacts with, and absorbs the malodor. The malodor is made inactive, is totally dissociated and removed. Anotec naturally diffuses and biodegrades. Anotec is an odor eliminator. It destroys rather than mask undesirable smell by hand spraying, fogging, or misting. proven scientifically by way of olfactometry and chemical fingerprinting. When odor levels are determined to be low, Anotec refers to them as odor effect or an odor issue. When levels are much higher, Anotec refers to them as toxic effect or a chemical issue. Anotec profiling methods may be used as an additive in highly odorous products. Stable upon application, Anotec does not affect or alter the chemistry of the product being treated. The applications. Anotec formulations have resulted in optimum removal efficiencies in some of the more difficult odor-producing industries such as meat, food and fish processing, animal, sewerage, sanitation, municipal sewage treatment, industrial wastewater treatment, and rendering facilities, compost and solid waste sites, oil refinery waste treatment, pet food manufacturing facilities, shipping, and other general industrial odors. Anotec also covers more benign areas such as health, medical, hotel, hospitality offices, schools, restaurants, clinics, cars, and households. To solve malodor problems involving smoke, animals, food, pets, bathroom basement, carpeting, and 1,001 other applications. Anotec 0307 Odor Eliminator is the official odor eliminator of the ASEAN Tourism Forum or ATF 2006 Davao. Anotec is your alternative environmental solution for your odor problems.